Wow, it's very interesting. Very interesting. Father just told me that when he got to Earth's orbit, he was trying to get on what they call internet. And he's got a lot of friends on the internet. And some bozo took his, what was it called again? A wrench? I haven't heard that term for eons. But, he took this wrench away for whatever reason. And he finally did tell the reason why he took the wrench away, which is kind of silly. But it all boils down to this. Communications. If you have any problems with anybody, no matter if it's on the internet or on making a hail call, or what's that other thing they called on Earth there they used for years? Cell phones. Call the person up. There's another form of communication. Oh yeah, text. There's a lot of ways to contact a person instead of being a butthead and a ding-dong and a moron for taking a person's wrench away. Communicate is the best key. Action speaks louder than words, which means if you take things away and never communicate, you're just a freaking bozo. And you're gonna lose friends right and left, up and down, all over the spectrum. You got to communicate. How hard is that to do? Oh, I'm mad at this person. I'm gonna take things away from them. You know, that just pees off the other person as well. That's fracking stupid. Don't do that. Communications is key. It's very simple to do if you care about that person. If you do not care about that person, then frack them. Let them go. Say, hey, that guy's a complete a-hole. Hey, forget it. He's a moron. So, I don't know how much more I can say on here. Communications is the best way to go. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Well, I gotta go to the Galaxy Bank and deposit my gold press platinum. Take care.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.